Play Store. Then we search for LinkSprite. Right here, click install. Open. Accept. We definitely need to allow LinkSprite to access this device location because we need to use it to determine the time zone, etc. Photo and media, yes, because it's going to enable us to take a snap of the camera or doorbell's view. Allow. Experience now. We need to register account first. Confirm agreement. Now we need to check the email address. I need to click. Check the address. Okay, it's arrived. Takes some time to arrive. Okay. Passcode. I'm just using this. Now, wrong password. Maybe I type too fast. Okay, I'm gonna stop here. Okay, we are in already. So what we need to do is to take the camera and I click this add and allow yes. And then we need to scan the QR code of the camera. Let me get the camera. Okay.
Please press and hold reset button until you hear waiting for configuration. Until you hear waiting for configuration.
Okay, so I'm going to press and hold the reset button on the doorbell.
Waiting for configuration.
Okay. It says waiting for configuration.
Please input Wi-Fi password. Tap next.
So we need to be careful. We need to be using 2.4 giga instead of 5G. So I need to switch. Oops. I'm going to switch my Wi-Fi to 1 giga. Where is my 1 giga? 2.4 giga. Note, this is only required when we set up the camera. Once the doorbell camera has already been set up to connect to the Wi-Fi, then we can switch to cell phone can use 5G or whatever, or data plan. This is only required during setup. Connect. Okay. Yeah. I'm back to here.
Please input Wi-Fi password. Tap next.
This is because the camera has only 2.4 gig Wi-Fi radio. Okay. Then we point the camera's lens to this QR code.
Device reset successfully. Wi-Fi configuration received.
Okay. Then we hit start connect.
Wi-Fi configured successfully.
The camera says configured successfully. Device added successfully. Okay, so for now we don't want to do an upgrade. We do that later. So now the camera is online. If you hit it, do live view. Yes. So let's explore the functions. We can this long press this thing. The name we can edit the nickname from the door. Okay, and click this one. We can do device configuration, doorbell setting, HDR, automatically firmware update. It says device is offline because this doorbell right now runs on battery. So once it runs on battery, it will turn off. It will sleep after it didn't detect movement for some time. Okay. Alarm setting, cloud storage. Yes, we have like 2-day cloud storage, motion alarm, and then refine motion alarm by human detection. Power saving mode. So for now, I'm going to use immediately, and yes, where detect like temper detection or alert or knock or push on the door. Yes. I'm not going to turn on long stay because the PII sensor is not that accurate. So if you get a hit movement, it's going to trigger it. Yeah, and then device info, battery, ID, you can see the network quality. Yeah, and time zone. Right now I'm in Denver, so I'm going to -6. Yeah, it says the device is offline. So if I press it, then it becomes online. You see, gotta load. Yeah, gotta load. And we also need to turn on the. I think we need to turn on the. Oh, I'm sorry. Oops. Was that familiar with Android? Right here. App. Yeah. This. Me. Setting. Use mobile alert setting. Yes, we need to get a push alerts, ring and a vibration, echo cancellation. Yeah, pretty good. And we also can link Amazon Echo to it. So yeah, looks pretty good. We also need to check and make sure we turn on the alert, allow the alert, allow the notification. Okay. Notification. Yeah. We need to turn on the alert. Where is it? Notification on hot screen, in lock screen. Yeah, recently opened. Screen time. Information. Okay, we do that later. So, okay, let's see this. You can check PIR. Somebody rings doorbell PIR motion. See, and if we click this, we can see the calendar. We can allow 2 days. So suppose right now I press the doorbell. Yeah, somebody's pressing doorbell. So I can pick up phone. Hang up. Okay, thank you.